In this video, you'll learn how to use the Claude Code API in Node.js. By following these steps, you will set up your environment, create a project, and successfully send requests to generate code snippets using the API. Begin by installing Node.js, navigate to the official Node.js website, and download the LTS version as it is the most stable. Follow the installation prompt specific to your operating system. Once the installation is complete, verify it by opening your command line interface. Type Node-V and press enter to check the installed version of Node.js. Similarly, type npm-v to confirm that npm, the Node package manager, is also installed correctly. Next, you will initialize a new Node.js project. In your command line interface, create a new directory by typing namdir Claude Node and press enter. Change into the newly created directory by entering cd Claude Node to set up your project run npm init-y. This command generates a package.json file, which will manage your project dependencies and configurations. After setting up your project, the next step is to install Axios, which is a promise-based HTTP client for the browser and Node.js. In the command line, type npm install Axios and hit enter. Wait for the installation to complete. This library will be used to send requests to the Claude Code API. Now, create a JavaScript file named Claude_test.js within your project directory. Open this file in your preferred code editor. Start by requiring the Axios library at the top of your file with const Axios require Axios. Next, define your Claude Code API key by assigning it to the constant API_key. You will also need to specify the API endpoint URL, which is https://api.ko/ddi/code. Then set up a request payload that includes your desired prompt, programming language, and maximum tokens. In the same file, add headers for your request that include the authorization token and content type. Use Axios to send a post request to the API endpoint with the specified payload and headers. After you send the request, handle the response using a promise. If the request is successful, log the generated code to the console. If there is an error, catch it and log the error message for troubleshooting. To execute your script, return to your command line interface and run node Claude_test.js. This action will send your prompt to the Claude Code API, and the generated code will be printed in your terminal. You can utilize the Claude API for various tasks, such as generating code snippets, refactoring code, creating tests, or automating tasks. Simply update the prompt in your payload to receive different results. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.